Hello beautiful people, good morning. So welcome back to my vlog where I take you through the NID MP campus, and I also tell you about my journey and what were the ups and downs in my journey of coming to NID and my journey here as well. So this is my academic block. It is very nice, it is very pretty and green this point of the year actually. Otherwise in summers in Bhopal it is very dry, all the trees here dry up and it is devastating, like our mood just goes down, that's it. But when the rain comes, there are storms, like there are hailstorms, there are thunderstorms basically, and I kind of like it. It just gives you Sahyadri, and I love Sahyadri obviously. All those treks, I haven't been on a single Maharashtrian fort or a trek basically since the past 4 years, now 5 years, and I am actually very sad about it, because that is where my soul is. My soul is in Sahyadri. Wherever I go, whatever I do, my soul will stay in Sahyadri. This is the most important place, our admin block, like our first point of contact, wherein we come for admissions, document submissions, and all other kinds of queries, even meetings. The director sits over here, even registrar, deputy registrar, everyone sits over here basically. So, oh my god, okay. So this is the most pictured spot at NID, I would say. Yeah, look at this, look at this. It's like, yeah. This is the path that we just came from, right? And this is the most picture, like you will find a picture on this spot with every child. And this is the path that goes to the hostels and everywhere else. This is the auditorium. And just in front of the auditorium, there is this one small park wherein we have these terracotta horses. I'll show them to you as well. And this is the path that goes to Amul, our only savior at this point. We are the only place here around 30 kilometers of radius that actually give those pizzas and burgers and everything actually. So that is like a savior. Okay, so this is the entrance to our auditorium. It is a pretty big auditorium with 1,000% sitting capacity, and just in front of that we have this very beautiful terracotta deers and horses. Many times what happens is that students want NID but they get NIFT, but in my case it was completely different. It was completely opposite to that, and everybody was really shocked when I tell them this. So even in NID when I came, even when I go out for internships for my graduation project at Trident, at Rehva, everywhere I went, those who know both these institutions, so they were very shocked that till now my dream college is still NIFT. But yeah, it was like that. But I am happy. NID was my god. NID saved me from, it literally saved me from breaking my confidence, right? I had given, as I told you, I had given literally 4 years of my life for the preparation of this examination, and it was kind of taking a toll on my mental health as well, that what am I doing wrong? Did I choose this field wrong? Am I not made for this field? When I hadn't received the offer letter from NID, sorry. Yeah. And then when NID happened, it was a miracle. It was literally a miracle. But yeah, it happened and I was so happy for it. So firstly, when I got the offer letter, it was for the Assam campus. So you have to give your preferences. So I had given it like this: Haryana, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and then the Ahmedabad campus. Most of them differ according to their home state. Madhya Pradesh was very near to Maharashtra, and the commute would have been very easy. Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh basically. So that is why I wanted to go with Madhya Pradesh as the second option. I was kind of happy for that because Haryana, Assam are very far, and 5 years before, Andhra Pradesh did not have its own campus. So that is why I believe that I kept MP as my second option. Yes, so first I got Assam, and after consultations with the admin department, we also call it counseling. After counseling sessions, I got into Madhya Pradesh. So this was a very happy part of my life. We were in Somnath. We had went to NIRE Ahmedabad campus, but from there we went to Devdarshan, and after that it just went up the mountain, and I was so happy for it. God helped me. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video. If you have any queries, please do let me know in the comment section.